Hello iPhone user! Good evening everyone, maayong gabi isda mga bisaydahan sa mga Tagalog naman magandang gabi. O Kuya Juan, akala mo TDR. This video is gonna be your guide kung paano gamitin ang text replacement and paano mapadali ang networking journey mo here at Elite Empire. O parang nag-host lang. So ang una mong gagawin is punta ka sa settings and once you click on settings, hanapin mo ang text replacement. Kung hindi mo siya mahanap, i-search mo na lang ang text replacement. Ganong maglisod-lisod man ta. I-click mo ang text replacement. Once you click on that, pak! Dami kong script. O, ikaw ba daw ko 6 years. Dito na ako tumanda. Char lang. So, as you can see, madami na din akong scripts throughout the years. And I'm pretty sure madami na ding scripts ang binigay ng mentor mo sa'yo. And let's say, for example, may gusto kang i-add or gusto mong dagdagan yung mga text replacement mo. So, ang gagawin mo lang is just to click on the plus button here sa taas. And once you're there, is you have two options, phrase and shortcut. Phrase is dito mo ilalagay yung script na binigay ng upline mo sa'yo. And to tell you guys, this is really a very helpful tool, especially if you are someone na madami kang hinahakot, madami kang ka-chat, sana all madaming ka-chat, no? Text replacement is used so that hindi mo na kailangang i-type yung buong phrase. Ang gagawin mo lang is i-type yung keyword or yung shortcut na isi-save natin dito and it will automatically fill up the phrase that you saved sa text replacement. Let's say for example, may nag-inquire sa'yo, ano ba yung business na pinasukan mo? So let's say for example, ang sagot ko dyan is what I do is online network marketing. Ganyan na lang. Or let's say for example, ang sagot ko dyan is I love you. Ikaw na bahala. For the shortcut, ikaw na bahala kung anong shortcut na ilalagay mo. Let's say for example, rep 1. So, isave mo lang siya. So, moving forward, pag may nag-chat sa'yo, let's say, for example, how? Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Instead of telling them, what I do is online network na mano-mano mong tinatype yung phrase, ang gagawin mo lang is just to type the shortcut, which is rep 1, which is I love you. Char lang. So, yun lang. I hope you will maximize text replacement to make your network journey easy and happy massive pay-ins, everyone!